Let's talk about selling your home in the summer. Summer is one of the busiest times of the year in Northern Virginia real estate, and for good reason. Families are moving before the school year, relocation buyers are coming in to look for new jobs, and the weather makes it easy to show homes at their best. Unless, like today, it was 95 degrees. That was not fun. But Fairfax County numbers reveal a few surprises about what really happens once the temperatures climb. Between 22 and 2025, Fairfax County averaged around 3,000 active listings each summer. Homes took a little longer to sell. The median days on the market was about 4 days longer than in the spring, and they sold roughly 101% of list price. The median price, however, hovered around $725, which is still a very strong market with slightly below spring highs. So while demand is still healthy, the data shows that summer can be a more balanced season. Not quite as frenzied as spring, but still a great opportunity. Let's talk about why summer can be an excellent time to sell. Curb appeal peaks, trees are green, lawns are lush before they turn yellow in August, and outdoor spaces really shine, especially if your home has a deck, a patio, a pool, anything that makes people want to gravitate to be outside. Second, buyers are relocating to the DC area for government or private sector jobs, and they're typically looking between June and August. Again, that's mainly their timeline. They're trying to get children ready to go back to school in the fall. The third is the longer daylight hours mean more flexibility for showings and open houses. You can schedule evening showings when homes look their best in the golden light. So summer gives you a really good visual advantages to list in the summer, and they're also full of motivated buyers who are ready to move fast. They have a goal in mind. After the spring rush, some buyers experience fatigue, but they've seen a lot of homes. They may become more price sensitive. Vacations also thin out the buyer traffic, especially in July and August. And if the weather gets too hot, maintaining curb appeal from landscaping to fresh paint takes extra effort. So while activity is strong, strategy and presentation are key. The best summer listings lean into lifestyle, highlight outdoor entertaining spaces, nearby trails, community pools, and emphasize that move-in ready appeal. If you're listing an early summer, price really realistically based on current comps, not spring peaks. And if you're later in the season, aim to be the best looking option in your price bracket to catch those last minute relo buyers before the fall sets in. So summer in Fairfax County is vibrant, full of opportunity. If you're thinking about selling, let's create a game plan that maximizes your home's curb appeal and get it sold this summer. I'm Christina Doherty with Paul Wesley Real Estate, and I'm here to help you move with confidence.